Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install any HP printer driver in Windows 11 in 2026. For that, you just have to open your web browser. The web browser doesn't matter. All you need to do is you just have to simply use the search bar. Then in the search bar, you just have to simply search for this particular URL. It is support.hp.com/drivers. So when you are here on this particular page, you can click on the option of software and drivers so that you could see these buttons over here. Now click on the option of printer. It is going to show you this type of search bar in front of you where you can type the model of your printer and it is going to show you the driver associated with it. You can also just scroll down on this particular page. Then you can select the product from the popular printer series. For example, let's say I clicked on the HP LaserJet 1080 printer. After clicking on it, or even after typing your model here in the search bar, you will be redirected here on this particular page. Now here, in order to download and install the driver, simply click on the option of choose a different operating system first. Then click on the option of operating system. After that, from this drop down menu, select Windows. From the version list, simply select the operating system version that you are currently using. Currently, I'm using Windows 11. That's why I've selected Windows 11. But you can also download the driver for Windows 10 or even for 8 and 7. So after selecting it, simply click on the option of update. Then scroll down and click on the option of driver product installation software. Now after clicking on it, it is going to show you the download button over here on this particular page. When you see that download button, simply click on the download and the file will be downloaded on your device. In order to install it, you just have to double click on it and install it on your device like you normally do with any of the softwares on your PC or on your laptop. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.